What's going on, guys? All right, so I got Alex in the background. He's been helping me out with the Trackhawk, actually, and I've been training him on how to wrap cars, so he's helping with that. What I want to show you is that no paint is perfect. I have a Rolls Royce sitting right here. I'm about to wrap the wheels. They're sitting right there. I did not put those wheels on the floor, so don't look at me. I didn't take them off and put them on the floor. Anyways, I'm going to show you this paint right here, and this is straight from the factory. This has not been repainted. So yep. I can get it on. Just move your light for a second. I can see it, but the camera, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. So I'm gonna put my finger there. There we go. This, let it focus. There it is. Come on, focus. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yes, hopefully it's focused. So I'm going to try and get in a little bit here. Right there. Okay, there is this imperfection here that... Do you have your light available again, Alex? Rolls Royce paint. It's not perfect. Everyone thinks that their paint is perfect, so what I wanted to show was that not everyone's paint is perfect. There it is, right. Where's it, right here? Yep. Yeah. So it's right there. This is from the factory, the imperfection in the paint like that. Everyone's gonna come look now. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to let you know that don't stress yourself out about wrapping somewhere. There it is right there. You can see it really clearly. Don't stress yourself out about wrapping someone's car, and if they think it's perfect, it's sure as hell not. You can see that's a Rolls Royce right there. All right, doesn't matter if it's a Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls Royce, Bentley, McLaren, BMW, Porsche, Honda. All paint is not perfect, and that is an example right there. I just caught my eye as I was walking by it because obviously the way the light reflects off of it. So the only thing that you can do in order to prevent obviously a customer, you know, they probably don't even know that's there. And they obviously think that their paint is perfect because it's a Rolls Royce. So what you do is take a picture of it, even take a video of it. I actually take videos of things, that way I can kind of show placement and where it is. Close-up pictures don't really show placement, and that's important when you are documenting imperfections in a paint job. So, you know, just like the Jeep Trackhawk, it's a brand new car. It has imperfections in it. This is a brand new car, and that is actually embedded in under the clear coat. That's not a stone chip, that is not anything else but an imperfection straight from the factory. Anyways, guys, just wanted to let you know that. Again, document what you can as far as what you see along the way when you're wrapping. Cover your butt, and that's all I want to say. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Take care.